Using Vrbo gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to book your next vacation rental easily. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card. Step 1. Visit the Vrbo website. Go to the Vrbo website or open the Vrbo app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 2. Search for property. Use the search function to find a vacation rental that suits your needs. Enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests to browse available listings. Step 3. Select your rental. Once you find a property you like, click on it to view more details. Review the amenities, pricing, and cancellation policies to ensure it meets your expectations. Step 4. Proceed to checkout. After selecting your rental, click on the Book Now or Reserve button. You will be directed to the checkout page where you can review your booking details. Step 5. Enter gift card information. On the payment page, look for the option to enter a gift card code. Input the code from your Vrbo gift card and apply it to your booking. Ensure that the total amount reflects the discount from the gift card before finalizing your reservation. Once you complete these steps, you will have successfully used your Vrbo gift card to book your vacation rental. Enjoy your trip.